We're at Trader Joe's right now, guys. This is what it's looking like. Hey. Okay, so look over here, guys. All the pastas, the lentils, the beans, it's almost all gone. There was still plenty of bananas and produce. I've never seen the store look so empty before. It's really scary, actually, because I actually never seen a grocery store with such empty shelves. But there was a lot of vegetables. I mean, look at that. I didn't see any vegetables totally sold out.
We're open at 9 tomorrow.
There was a lot of cheeses and the deli meats sold out. There was 0 fish, 0 chicken, and no beef and sausage. It was totally empty. Just a lot of these little small cheeses. There was no potatoes at all, and we really like potatoes to make soup, and there's none. Even basic things like some flour and baking soda was gone. And the instant lentils, that was all empty. There wasn't even any of those little ramen soup packs or soups in the cans. Look over here. There's no meat. There was a lot of juices. All the waters were sold out. I was really happy they had orange juice and carrot juice, but there was no pineapple juice. The news makes it seem like people are going crazy for toilet paper. They are, but they're also going crazy for milk because there's no milk. There's definitely no eggs. I went to a few grocery stores and there's no eggs or milk, and no meat. There's no chicken, steak. Look at the yogurts are out. Butter is so hard to find. There's no butter. There was one butter. It's that garlic butter right there. There's hardly any coffee creamers. I just got half and half. And I found 1 pack of flavored yogurt. Some cereals are gone. There's a lot of chips. I think there's a few types are out. There's a lot of peanuts and nuts, so there's no shortage on those. We got some pistachios. Another thing that's really shocking is there's no breads. It is really hard to find a simple loaf of bread. So I guess I'll have to buy flour to make my own bread, but even the flour is hard to find. I've never seen this before. It looks like the store just opened and those are brand new shelves that just got built. And the regular waters has run out, but luckily I have this filter at my house that cleans out the water. And now I'm over at Smart and Final, and you can see things are running out over here. I'm really looking for some potatoes and laundry soap. There was some potatoes here, but they're all sold out. Luckily, when I turned the corner, I found some. And it looks like there's no meat over here. There's hardly anything. There was just like 3 packs of really overpriced beef, and I didn't get those. And that's it. Look at this rows and rows of empty shelves. There's no sandwich meats, and that's the dairy right there. I was able to get 1 milk and 1 of those chocolate milks, 1 of those silk milks and 1 chocolate milk. They're all gone. That's the eggs. No eggs at all. And of course, we're in the bread aisle. There's not even any tortillas. It's just had 1 of those breads right there, and that's it. All the fresh cut fruit was sold out except for that. Here's some canned good aisle. I bought some corn. And I was lucky to find 2 bags of pasta. And there's no spaghetti sauce. Even the sauces are sold out. And there's a lot of buy 2 limits. So thanks for watching this, and stay safe, everybody.